Oh, I'm locked in. I'm locked in. What? What happened?
So, this little birdie hit the window really hard,
Oh no.
but it's okay.
He's okay. Oh, you poor little guy. You must be so
I
scared.
think he's just in shock a little bit.
Yeah. Is that what Wendy was screaming about?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then she let Ashka out,
Oh no.
and it's okay, buddy.
Oh, poor little guy. He's okay. No worries. No, it's okay.
You're more than okay with me.
He's okay. Poor guy. I wonder what kind of bird he is. He's beautiful.
He really is.
It's gorgeous.
You're okay. Just don't want you to fly away if you're gonna be hurt. Promise that you're okay.
Poor guy. Gentle. Can I pet him?
I think so.
Hi. Oh, you're so soft. Oh, he's so soft.
Mm-hmm. You gonna
Cool.
make it, buddy? I don't know what your wings are like. Ashka got you good, eh?
Oh no.
You're okay. Just checking you out.
Using feathers.
Yeah. Your wings are okay.
Oh, it's really cold out here, baby. I
Yeah.
want to go in. Hey, bye-bye, birdie. It's nice to meet you.
Mm-hmm.